Hey guys, just to let you know that starting from this video, if we are going to be doing any kind of coding during the video, you're going to be able to access the source files of whatever we're coding in the video. I mean, this is really up to you. If you, let's say, don't have enough information or for anything like that, you can always access these files and run them on your local machine. However, please remember that you will gonna have to use the npm install as well as obviously running the actual application. So let me show you as an example how this is gonna work. So let's say we're gonna be looking for first React component in detail. So I'm gonna click here on my zip file, then I'm gonna head over back to my downloads and I'm gonna look for my downloads, and this is gonna be my zip file. So I'm gonna open up the zip file, I'm gonna drag it here to my desktop, then I'm gonna get my Visual Studio Code editor, and then I'm gonna say, yeah, that I would like to look at this folder here. Now, my case would be very simple. So I'm gonna say that I would like to open up the new window, and I'm gonna make this smaller, maybe this one a little bit bigger, or you know what? Let's just put them side by side. It doesn't really matter. And here I would like to add, or I would like to get to a integrated terminal. And let me zoom out a little bit. And it doesn't really matter. Again, you could have done this the same thing here in the actual terminal, but I'm just showing you with the integrated terminal example. And here I would like to run obviously npm start because I would like to see what is my application. Because at the moment I can see that I do have my index.js, I have my files, I have the comments and everything that we have done in the video. However, if I'm going to try to run npm start, what's going to happen is that there's going to be a bunch of errors because obviously I haven't installed all the dependencies that come with our project. So in this case, what I would need to do first is, so let me clear the console in this case, and then we're going to run npm start again, which I did it by mistake. I apologize. We need to run npm install, like I said before already. So the moment we run npm install, this is going to install all our dependencies, and then you're going to be able to run the actual project. And this is going to have exactly the same results as we had during the project. So please be aware of that. So again, I'm going to go over the steps. So first, we're going to have the zip file in the downloads. Then we open up the zip file and get it in some shape or form to our text editor. Then the moment we run npm install, then we again can maybe clear the console. And now if I'm going to run npm start, this is going to give me exactly the same results as we had during the lecture.